Have you observed the extreme heat that we experienced today? And high tides aren't normal anymore due to melting of ice in the North Pole.
We are visited by typhoons and floods more often than the usual. And the reason why? Climate change.
Climate change refers to a long-term shift in temperatures and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, but since 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. The main causes of climate change are the generating power, manufacturing goods, cutting down trees, using transportations, powering buildings, and many more. So, mean to say, the emerging innovation towards our surroundings, toward our society, causes a huge damage into our planet. While people are busy developing our world, our Mother Earth suffers too much pain from it. Climate change has a ton of effects towards people, animals, plants, and all the living things on Earth. Some of these are the following: experiencing hotter temperature, more severe storms, increased droughts, warming and rising oceans, and more health risks. As you can see today, typhoons are more likely to happen compared to past years. And the worst, it became much stronger than usual. The usual seasons are changing too, like the summer season became a rainy season, and the rainy season experienced extreme heat. Now, the best way in order to at least help our dying Mother Earth is to start our action. Don't just plan, start the change today. The Sustainable Development Goals has this one goal called the climate action, where it means that we step up efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and strengthens resilience and adaptive capacity to climate-induced impact. Strong climate agreement backed up by action on the ground will help us to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals to end this climate change. Now, there are a lot of ways to address the alarming issues regarding climate change. I will give you some examples of it. First, we must improve our education, like by educating people, spreading factual information, and spreading reliable news can help our environment, like awareness raising on how we can help our Mother Earth. Human institutional capacity on climate change mitigation, adaptation, impact reduction, and early warnings can be a help too. We should start to plant trees, reduce the usage of plastics and rubbers, and must start to practice using other ways. We must reduce cutting trees without replacement and stop throwing garbage everywhere, anywhere, for it causes pollution toward land, water, and air. Solutions are found in our hands, for we are the responsible for taking care of our planet. By simply doing this stuff with our whole heart, we can help our Mother Nature. We can slowly address the issue about the climate change. It doesn't matter if we are taking a few steps as long as it is continuous and with love. We can be able to overcome this problem, this undying issue about climate change. I am Marianne K. Jadormeo, BSED Social Studies 1-1, saying that we people are the hope of our Mother Earth. Thank you and have a good day ahead.